Right, linjani isihlobo zami? Mina nguStella Ndebele Shimmel. SikomVundlana emzini kababami eTsholotsho eZimbabwe. Enzalwa khona. Ngilapha bengizobona ubabami but ngithe ngihlanganise imission zami. Ngiphiwe i-sports kit ngomunye ubhuti wefilabusi but ose-Covent use-UK. Orana i-charity foundation abathi Mashinkila Hope Foundation. Badila nge-sports kit, distributing sports kits esikolo from abantwana abancane, abakhulu and so forth. All sports kits, football, netball, volleyball, rugby and so forth. But I just managed to do my rugby balls, excepting a short team villa wonke. Ngithole athletics. This is for instance, this is Yorkshire Marathon. Ngathola my kit ebhora, as you can see. So some ukuthi sikhipha abantwana ukuthi bengabe bedlalela etshwaleni ama drugs. Ngomntwana vele esikolo abuye ngikhaya afike enze okwenziwa ngikhaya.